Black and gold. What a color combination. It's not new and it's certainly not going anywhere anytime soon. This specky G-Shock GA400GB-1A9 was released way back in 2016, but continues to be a big hitter thanks to its timeless looks. A full black resin build is broken up with spots of gold in the logos and text around the bezel, and plenty of shiny gold appears inside the dial. Now this dial is pretty detailed. I love the part of the dial which holds the G-Shock and Casio logos because it takes on a matte appearance. Those hour markers seem to take on a brushed stainless steel appearance. Those hands are pretty cool with their cutout design. So a pretty cool looking dial in my opinion. But one thing that sets this G-Shock apart from the rest is the inclusion of this rotary wheel found here at 3 o'clock. Usually a crown will be found on an analog watch, and this is an analog watch, but it's mainly a digital watch first. So to have one of these is pretty useful in my opinion. You can use this wheel when you're changing the time or setting an alarm. It's a nice, quick and easy way to do so, and it's just something different to have on your watch. The LED light on this one is a warm orange tone and scatters quite well across the face. There are two LCD screens on the dial and the lettering takes on a gold tone, which is great attention to detail from Casio. It's actually really good because it doesn't break up the strong color thing we have going on in this watch. If they were the usual white color, it just wouldn't look so strong. On the wrist, this watch sits firmly thanks to the double pinned buckle and resin band. It is quite chunky at 52mm across, 55mm lug to lug and 18.3mm thick. However, due to the materials used, it's just really light at only 70 grams. All this is to say, wearing this one all day is going to be no issue, and pretty much all G-Shocks with a resin build are fantastic, do everything watches. It's got a really tough appearance, and I think there's just enough gold in there. If there was any more, I probably wouldn't like it, and it'd be a little bit too flashy for me. But I'd love to know what you guys think. Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Would you give it as a gift? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you'd like to buy one, there's a link in the description. So head on over to watchdepot.com.au. We have heaps of G-Shocks to choose from. So if this one isn't your fancy, then just keep scrolling through our site because there's so many to choose from. If you like this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button and all of those things. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.